speaker has some short remarks for you. He is our 1999 Teacher of the Year scholarship winner, and he reaches lots of young people, so we're very, very proud to have him today. Bill Holliday.
It is, of course, a heinous crime that brings us all to this spot today. But let's put that aside just for a moment to share here in this plaza the life and vision of a young idealistic president. A president who represented to a new generation of Americans the ideology that we can all make a difference. I think especially about the young people who are here today. Had President Kennedy been alive today, it is you who would have been emboldened by its vision. It is you who would have been charged with the responsibility of becoming involved, to have identified that which was wrong and to make it right. You can still do that today. Develop an interest, get involved, challenge the ill-directed authority, and take nothing at face value. It is your right and indeed your responsibility to do so. Several of the people gathered with us today embody those qualities. They continue to look for the truth in the crime of Dealey Plaza. They persist in the face of incredible odds and obstacles. They do it because they care. They are involved and they're willing to challenge ill-directed authority. So young Americans, get involved. President Kennedy would have challenged you to do so because democracy is not a spectator sport. Thank you.